Today we're going to learn how to make golden turmeric milk. I usually like making the golden turmeric milk when it's really cold outside and I want something warm before bed, or when I'm really craving something sweet after dinner but I don't want to eat anything with sugar. So this is a good substitute because it does have honey and a lot of spices. Turmeric is anti-inflammatory, which is really important because it will help your body fight off the bacteria. It pretty much looks like ginger, but it looks orange when you cut it. Here you can see the difference here. Ginger, yellow, turmeric, orange. Fun fact, turmeric is actually what gives curry its yellow color. This requires just a few simple ingredients. 2 cinnamon sticks, 2 cups of almond milk. If you want to learn how to make almond milk from scratch, just click this video up here and it's my little tutorial that I made a while ago. 1 cup of water, 1 tablespoon of honey, 1/4 of a teaspoon of whole black peppercorns, 1 tablespoon of coconut oil, 1 piece of turmeric about 2 inches long, unpeeled and thinly sliced, 1 piece of ginger, 1 inch long, unpeeled and thinly sliced as well. And we'll use a little bit of ground cinnamon at the end just for serving. So really simple, we're just going to mix everything into this small pot and we're going to bring everything to a low boil. Now we're going to reduce the heat and let it simmer for about 10 minutes. Okay, now that the color is nice and yellow, we're going to strain it so that we just keep the golden milk. Put a dash of cinnamon. And we're ready to go. Yes. Delicious.